developed measuring processes often require systems that are not available on the market, and specific machinery manufacturer can reach their limits when a specific process knowledge is required for the technical implementation. As a research institute on the field of laser material processing, we therefore obtain the necessary skills to create these kind of systems, not only for laser-based processes.